Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 won't turn on, you might be facing several potential issues. This problem could be due to a failing battery, a faulty power supply, or even internal components that have become damaged. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, including data loss or the complete failure of your device. To repair your Acer N19H2, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. First, ensure that your workspace is clean and well lit. Begin by turning off the device and disconnecting it from any power source. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back cover of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe location, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. After you've removed the back cover, locate the battery. This component is often the culprit when devices won't turn on. Disconnect the battery cable carefully by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. If necessary, remove the screws that hold the battery in place and lift it out. Next, check the power supply connections, ensuring they are secure. If the power supply is faulty, replacing it may be necessary. When you've fitted a new battery or power supply, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Be sure to apply gentle pressure, ensuring it's seated properly. Before reassembling, double-check for any loose cables or components that may have shifted during the repair. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back cover back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently, but do not over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your Acer N19H2 to check if it functions correctly. If the device powers on successfully, congratulations! You completed the repair. To prevent this issue from happening in the future, ensure you regularly maintain your device by keeping it clean and storing it in a safe environment. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture. Regularly check for software updates, as these can sometimes resolve underlying issues before they become serious. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.